Dear students, in this video, first we are going to see permutations. Permutations. What is a permutation? So let us see what is meant by permutation. Permutation means permutation on a set A. Definition: permutation on a set A is bijective function bijection from A onto A. Bijection means bijective function. Bijective functions means what? Bijections means bijective function that is injective. Injective means one function, and onto means surjective. One function means what? One or injective function. Suppose A is a set. Consists of the numbers 1, 2, 3. Then let us define a function f. Let us define a function f from A to A by f of 1 is equal to 2, f of 2 equal to 3, and f of 3 equal to 4. Then is this f is a permutation on A? Is f is permutation on A? When f is permutation on A, if f is bijection, that is bijective function, that is f is 1 and f is onto. See here how this function is defined here. This function f is defined here. This is a set A. Again this is a set A, and the function f is defined 1, 2, 3. What is the image for 1? F assigns 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to 1. Is this function f is 1? Is this function f is 1? 1 means what? 1 function. 1 means what? Or injective function. 1 means what? 1 means distinct elements are distinct images. Distinct elements have distinct images. See here. What is the image of 1? Image of 1 is 2. Here 1 and 2 are distinct. Here 1 is not equal to 2. And what is f of 1? F of 1 is 2. And f of 2 is 3. So f of 1 is also not equal to f of 2. So 1 is not equal to 2, f of 1 is not equal to f of 2. Means elements are distinct, images are distinct. And so this holds for all elements in the set A. So therefore this holds for all elements in a set A. Therefore this function f is 1. F is 1. Is f is onto? See here. These two elements are same. Their images are also. These two elements are different. Their images are also different. Is f is onto? F is onto. Is f is onto? Yes. what is the image set of F when F is onto? F is onto if and only if image of F is a whole set, image of F is whole set A here. So all elements of the set A are images of some elements of set in B. So here this is the image of 3, 2 is the image of 1, 3 is the image of 2. Therefore this function F is onto. Clearly F is onto. Each element in this set A has an inverse image. So this function F is onto. So this function F is permutation. So let us say another example. Permutation means what? 1, 1 and onto function from a set A to A. That is called a permutation. So therefore this function F is a permutation. So let us take B is equal to 1, 2. B is equal to 1, 2. Define Z on B by G of 1 is equal to 2, G of 2 is equal to 1. If G is permutation, check yourself. Clearly G is a permutation on B. Because this G is 1, 1, distinct elements or distinct images, and G is onto. So therefore this again, yes, this is, you can check yourself. This is again a permutation.